In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Facebook business page not visible to the public. If people can't find your business page on Facebook or your page isn't showing up to users who are logged out, this is usually caused by a visibility or audience setting. The good news is that you can typically fix it in just a few minutes by checking a few important options inside your page settings. To get started, log into Facebook. Once you are in, go to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From there, select See All Profiles and then choose your business page so you can switch into it. This part is important because these visibility settings need to be changed from the page profile itself, not your personal profile. After you've switched to your business page, click your profile picture again in the top right. Then choose Settings and Privacy and click Settings. In the menu on the left-hand side, look for Audience and Visibility, and then select How People Find and Contact You. Here, you'll want to turn on the option that says Allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your page. This setting helps your page appear in search results on platforms like Google, which can make a big difference if your page isn't easily discoverable. If this is turned off, people may have a harder time finding your business page outside of Facebook. While you are in the same area, make sure recommendations are enabled. This allows Facebook to suggest your page to people who are viewing similar pages or content. It's a simple setting, but it can improve visibility and help more people discover your business naturally. Next, go back to your settings menu and find Followers and Public Content. In this section, check both country restrictions and age restrictions. If there are any active country limitations, remove them so your page can be seen in all intended regions. Then review the age restriction setting and change it to public. This is especially important if you want logged out users or users in different locations to be able to view your content without unnecessary limits. Once you've updated these settings, your Facebook business page should be much easier for the public to find and access. If the changes don't appear immediately, give Facebook a little time to refresh the page visibility across its system. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.